Unleash your inner fighter with the world's elite MMA body weight training program, Body Armor. Immerse yourself in a training program crafted by Phil Daru, the MMA Trainer of the Year and the leading strength and conditioning expert at American Top Team. Ditch the fancy equipment. Body Armor is designed for adaptability, enabling top fighters to maintain their training regime under any condition. Unlock the potential of your own body weight. Experience the intensity of training programs utilized by the world's elite MMA fighters. Discover how to maximize your strength, speed, power, and conditioning. Body Armor is not just a program, it's a revolution in fitness. Join the ranks of elite fighters who train smart, not just hard. Transform your body and your fighting skills with Body Armor. Step into the world of elite training. Discover Body Armor and become part of the revolution.